So, hey guys, number one to the right. Happy Pants and these diapers. Thank you. She's trying to make you laugh. Cause she's a terrible sister. She says bad words to me at herself. So, please subscribe to me. My sister was lying about that whole thing. She said on the last YouTube video and then laugh. Okay. So then, yeah, my brother checked on my sister and I'm just saying this. I don't know why, but it's sunny now and I got nothing to do. He's bald body. And subscribe to this little bar right here. I don't have my underhand. I can't just like it's gonna be invisible right here. Biggie. And the thumbs up button. Thumbs up and this Papa. Yeah, do that for me, please. Please, because I really need subscribers. And if we get 100 subscribers, I will drop a bucket of water. If we get 100 subscribers in the summer, I'll drop a bucket of water, cold water, on my head. So, yes, this video is gonna be short. So, oh yeah. So hit that like button, and subscribe, or Santa's not gonna give you Christmas presents, or there's gonna be a terrifying elf in 12 in the morning tomorrow if you don't hit that like button or subscribe. So that's what will happen to you if you don't subscribe. So I'm gonna make this video short because I don't really feel like doing it right now. So I'm not. I am making this short, but that's a terrible person. Okay, let's get back. So, you're noticing on the last few videos, we never got a Christmas tree, right? Now we do. Yay. No presents. And I think when you saw the TV, you saw this little box right here. I do not know what kind of box this is, but it says but it says UUC. I do not know what that means. So, yeah. Frag. I don't know about that. So, yeah. We're just hanging out at the house doing nothing. Was dark, but it was dark, but didn't give good view of my mouth. That was dark. That was dark. And Comment down below what's your favorite candy, because I just saw candy. Look who behind it. 3, 2,